kiss of honeycomb.
Some people have asked how I get my hair like I do. Going to get my hair done. I thought you guys might like to come along. Hi, Poodle.
Love the Gucci belt.
And this is my hairdresser, Todd. Lucky girl. And then can we do your secret sauce?
Yes, right. So the base color today on Coco's hair is L'Oreal color double 6N, which is basically a dark blonde, and a little bit of 5G, which is a light golden brown, to give her that little kiss of honeycomb.
You always get it right. So Todd,
Yes,
what's your favorite movie?
still magnolias,
What's your favorite color?
blush and bashful, my two favorite shades of pink.
So, why do I call you Poodle?
Isn't it just an endearing name like Karen Walker and Jack from Will and Grace?
Of course!
Yes, Poodle.
Karen always called him Poodle.
Yes.
What are you doing now to my hair?
So we're placing some pocket lights with Redken flash with bonder included and 40 volume because your hair is a resistant little bugger. It does not want to lift color. So basically the Olaplex protective bonder is already built into this new. I love this lightener, so it's really wonderful that it has the built-in bonder in it. It takes a little longer to process, but it's worth it.
I want it to be blunt on the ends with just a little layers. When I was like 4, I had red hair. It's that old Irish, Scottish,
No.
Welsh. He's booked a year in advance, and he's taking no new clients.
Right.
I'll have Tiffany pipe in some porn music.
That'll be good.
This is such a luxury.
To get a blow job?
Yes, I hear people will pay a lot of money for one.
Absolutely they will. It's their whole life. They love it so much and they come back for more and more. So take that, Tiffany. Put that in your Sunday school hat and smoke it.
Maybe I should have her go to school with Sophia to wash away her sins.
Yeah, I mean, she'd probably be forgiven and all. There's probably like a forgiven class.
That's probably just in adult Sunday school.
Yeah, right?
You're such a cracker.
Don't you worry about my little Sophie. She's just fine.
Oh my god, I love her so much. She said to me that she has a girlfriend that is bisexual.
At school?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord Jesus. It's getting hot up in here, honey. I can't handle this scandalousness.
I said, Sophie.
You know what they'll do with her? They'll send her to the office, honey.
Megan was in the office to pick up Bobby for a dentist appointment or something. And the ladies in there, they were talking back and forth, and one of the ladies said to them, did you know today is International Men's Day? And the other lady said, oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know they had a day. And Megan said, oh, well, I thought every day was International Man's Day.
Does that even need to be said?
So how are you curling my hair? Because some people have asked how I get my hair like I do.
All your
styled like this.
sections are curled. We go full loop, hold, press, and then just click that through so we don't get we just want volume up here and more flat towards the end.
Yeah, I don't like curly ends for some reason. It's too fixed for me.
So full turn, let it sit, click, 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 and just kind of run that through.
So, what size curling iron is this?
This is a 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/4 inch hot tools.
1 1/4.
It's an off-center parting. Your hair naturally does that.
Okay. My mama always said she liked my hair better on the side.
It's just softer. It's always a softer look. You wear it however you want. But today I'm driving, so I put it where I wanted it.
Well, this is good because we can see. I really love my new color.
And then when you get through, you can Google it.
It's very pretty.
Oh, hon.
So is this just the Orbe dry texture?
Yeah, Orbe Dry Texture Spray, #1 seller.
It smells good. Thank you, Poodle. Please hit the like button and subscribe so we can make more videos for you guys.